Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm shedding some light on a wig and a color. This is Blair from Jon Renau's Oh So Light collection, and the color on Blair today is one of my unsung heroes of the Jon Renau color family. This is 131T4S4, also known as Shaded Berry. You don't really see it that often, but I think it's a really cool color. In all honesty, it looks an awful lot like Noriko's chestnut color. So if you like the Noriko chestnut or you like the crimson LR color, it's a lot like that, except of course it doesn't have the long root. It has a traditional shaded root. Now, Blair is really unique because it's part of the Oh So Light collection, which is made up of wigs that weigh very little. The cap construction and the hair fibers themselves lend themselves to being very, very lightweight. So if you don't like the way heavy wigs feel on you, then the Oh So Light collection is the way you want to go. This wig only weighs 2.5 ounces, so it's super, super lightweight. Has a very realistic amount of hair, which is wig parlance for saying that it doesn't give you that overabundance of hair that some wigs will give you. Most wigs actually will give you that. These Oh So Light wigs have a very, very natural amount of hair, so you won't have to thin them out at all. The front, the bang part here is 3.75 inches, and it's quite fringy, so you can wear it down, or you can do what I've done and sweep it off to the side. The crown is 10.25 inches, so that's pretty much the overall length there. The sides are 7 inches, so we got a little bit of layering, but not much going on there. And the nape is 2.75 inches, and I'll turn around and show you. It's a very cute little cut, pretty no-nonsense little bob. Very, very, very cool. There you go. And as you can see with the color, it's not like as dramatic as you would think. Like, it's just a very pretty color. It's got like that number 4 dark brown in there. You've got the really pretty sort of chestnut color. And then down here at the bottom, you get it a little bit blended with a little bit more of that dark brown. And then the root, of course, is the dark brown as well. So it's actually a very pretty color, and it's not like crazy, oh my gosh, that's so red. It's actually way more subdued than I thought it was going to be, given the color code. So it's nice. It's a very pretty color. The wig moves very, very well. Even in the back, moves very nicely. It's a cute little cut. It's no frills, no nonsense, easy to wear. I would recommend carrying a wide tooth comb in your purse though, just to kind of straighten it out once in a while. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one off so you can see what the cap construction looks like. So pretty much no nonsense. Got a little bit of felt here at the front hairline. Very light amount of permatease on these Oh So Light wigs. It's part of what keeps the weight down. Not a lot of permatease on these at all. But that permatease that is there is concentrated kind of like in a spade shape on the top of the head. The back of the cap is kind of stretchy, not too stretchy. The side and the perimeter is quite stretchy, and it has these nice Velcro adjusters. A little bit of felt here at the nape. Does not have an extended nape. So overall, you know, no muss, no fuss, easy, breezy. The ear tabs are pretty basic as well. All that helps cut down on the weight of the wig. And here's that color up close. Very pretty color. Again, a lot like that Crimson LR by Noriko. Very pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on. So if you're looking for a really pretty dark auburn color that has a root from the Jon Renau line, look for the Shaded Berry. There you have it. This cute little easy breezy wig is Blair by Jon Renau in the color Shaded Berry, also known as 131T4S4. That's a mouthful. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great afternoon, and check out my wig store, CysterWigs.com. Thanks. Bye-bye.